Everybody, how do you change your business hours on Google? A funeral director reached out because on his Google listing, these days it is called Google Business Profile. That is your Google listing. So if you want to update your Google Business Profile, you want to update the hours of operation. So for example, a funeral home should have it set as 24/7. So how do you update your hours of operation on Google? Google keeps on changing it, but these days it's outrageously simple. And let me show you how to do that these days. So what you do is very simple. All you have to do is just to Google your own business name. That's it. So of course you need to sign in to Google. But once you're signed in, you just have to Google your own business name. Then through the search engine result, you can see these buttons here. And this new interface is called New Merchant Experience. Google loves to give new names all the time. So this is what it's been calling it lately, New Merchant Experience. So you can see directly from the search engine, you can update it. So for example, if you want to edit your profile, from here, you go to hours. From here, you tap the little pencil, and of course, you can, from here, right, update your hours of operation. Of course, if it's 24/7, right, make sure set to 24/7. So these days, very, very simple to update your hours of operation. So if you have any questions, let me know.